Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Explorer. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video, but just been busy a lot with some family from out of town and just been enjoying ourselves, spending time with some loved ones. Now, just trying to get back into things. As I can see, we are back in a down trend for crypto with prices being very low. Which kind of, I guess, is good that I wasn't really paying attention for the last couple of days as I've been very busy. But it is what it is. But mainly, I just want to make a quick video on BlockShow Americas 2018. As you can see, it is in 5 days, and I will be heading up there to check it out, see what's out there, and just learn more about blockchain and all the technology and all the projects that are being presented there. So let's see a couple things. I did notice they updated their site with sponsors and also exhibitors. So I've yet to completely go through it, but hopefully I get to see what all these guys have to offer. So just quickly off the top of my mind of what I'm actually finding interesting in terms of what they have presented here is, let's see, on their exhibitors, this X block looks kind of interesting. I checked their website a little bit. Want to see what that's all about. Where we go, aid coin for charity, and there's this Pythagoras global education system. So I kind of hope there's a lot more exhibitors than what's listed here. Hopefully, but besides the exhibitors here, they do show a lot of speakers there that I'm looking forward to hearing in the different panels. Let's go to agenda just to see if anything has changed much. So it doesn't seem like too much has changed, but who knows? I'm looking forward to it. Hope to see and learn a lot more while I'm up there. They have updated their site with a list of exhibitors since the last time I visited the website. So it'd be very interesting to see and visit each of these exhibitors. And only kind of disappointing thing, I hope I hope there's more than this. It looks like, look, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 18. I really hope there's more than just 18 exhibitors that is coming, and that this page is just highlighting some of the exhibitors. But one of them that I do find interesting is actually, where is it? It was called Endo over here. Protocol that solves the problem of certified information tracking and encrypted data storage. That is one. Aspire is there. Kind of want to check that out. Descent as well. But yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully there's more than what's just listed here. And then, of course, they do have all these speakers, which will be very interesting to see or to go on their panel. What is kind of disappointing, though, is when you look at the agenda, there's not much information about, which speaker will be speaking at which panel, or will there be their own panel rooms? I don't know. Be kind of nice to know, to see what's actually out there, or a schedule, more detailed schedule That way, when I get there, since it's only 2 days, I could plan accordingly on which areas I want to go to in order to make the most use of my time. But it is what it is, and this is my first time, so who knows? Maybe when we go to the registration site time here, it says at 7 a.m. doors open, registration and coffee. Hopefully, there's a more detailed program that will allow me to just plan my day out for the next 2 days. Anyway, that's it for this video. Just like a quick update. Hopefully, after coming back from the conference, I'll be able to put up some more content up on the channel. And that's it. Thanks for watching.